In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate GSTR reports in Zoho Books. We'll start by making sure your GST settings are correctly configured, because that's what drives accurate reporting. Open Zoho Books and head to Settings, then Taxes. Here, enable GST. Turning this on activates all the GST-related features in your account so your transactions can carry the right tax details. Next, add your GSTN and select the applicable state for your registration. This ensures Zoho Books knows where your business is registered and can apply CGST, SGST, or IGST correctly based on transactions. Double-check that the state matches your GST registration to avoid mismatches later in your reports. Now, assign HSN or SAC codes and the correct tax rates to your items and services. HSN codes are for goods, and SAC codes are for services. Accurate codes and tax rates are essential. They feed directly into your tax calculations and your GSTR summaries. If you sell a mix of goods and services, take a moment to review each item so the right rate is applied every time you create an invoice or bill. With your tax setup complete, go to the left sidebar and open GST filing, then select GSTR 3B Summary. This is where you'll prepare the high-level numbers needed for your GSTR 3B return. Choose the tax period you're filing for, whether that's monthly or quarterly, based on your compliance frequency. Zoho Books will automatically populate the report using your recorded transactions. You'll see outward supplies, inward supplies, and input tax credit, all compiled from your sales, purchases, and expenses. The accuracy here depends on your transaction data, so if anything looks off, check that the underlying invoices and bills are dated within the selected period and carry the right tax details. Take time to review each section. If adjustments are needed, you can edit the values directly in the summary. For example, if you need to perform an ITC reversal due to ineligible credits or other compliance reasons, you can enter those adjustments here. Make sure any edits reflect your supporting records so your numbers remain audit-ready. Once you're satisfied, export the summary or report. Choose your preferred format, such as PDF or Excel, so you can share it with your accountant, keep it for your records, or cross-check it alongside your internal registers. And that's it. By setting up GST correctly, mapping items with the right HSN or SAC, and reviewing the auto-populated GSTR 3B summary, you'll generate accurate GSTR reports in Zoho Books with confidence.